Hello everybody, I have a new crypto trade for you, but first of all let's have a look at the traditional markets. So crypto fear and fear and greed for the traditional markets, it's 34, so we're still fearful, and for the crypto market exactly the same. So let's have a look as usual with the S&P 500. So, as I did expect, we found rejection at the golden zone, and then as well this support line, which is now resistance. So it will be interesting to see in the coming days what will happen. But if we turn around over here, then there's more to the downside. Gold for the moment, nothing. And then silver, also not much going on for the moment, 0.9%. So we did find support again at this green support line. Then, so the DXY, also the same here, resistance again at this previous support line. Euro Hungarian forint is doing quite well today as well. So we passed already our take profit one. So now we're gonna see how this white resistance line will work out. So whether we get some kind of triangle formation. Then Alibaba, very well today, plus 3.5%. So it looks at the end that maybe we did find support finally. PayPal, the short, we're coming down again. Good. XLF, that's a bit of another story. Here we're retesting this resistance line. So for now we did reject from it. So yeah, here we're gonna have to see what will happen. If we close above these highs, then I will close out my shorts. GDX, not much to talk about, just like gold, no gains and no losses. US Treasuries, we almost did hit the take profit one today, but then we rejected a bit below and we're now up 0.71%. Crude oil is an interesting one because if we follow the turtle strategy, then we get an extra buy signal for today. So here we go. So this would be the third one already. I didn't take this second one as I thought it would go lower. But yeah, it was not the case, and yeah, as usual, you better trust your indicators or your strategy rather than your gut feeling. So anyway, I bought some extra today. And then the crypto market, Bitcoin had some gains today, now got rejected from this daily, and as well the anchored VWAP. So this will be one we definitely need to get over now. So the 44.4 region there we should get above. And then the new trade is Keep Network. I traded in euro, but on the dollar chart you have exactly the same pattern. So here we have what I call the Fibonacci compression. So we make this high, we make this low, and then we make a new lower high, which is at or above the golden zone. Then we retrace again to the golden zone or lower, but we make a higher low. Then we bounce up again at or higher than the golden zone from the previous sell-off, making a lower high, and then we're selling off again to the golden zone or lower. So we're gonna have to see whether this will be the low or we go still further down. Anyway, so what you take then is the trend-based Fibonacci from the high to the low to the high. And then, as I've marked out in green here, we're looking at the take profits of at the 0.618 extension. So that would mean a price of 1.147 more or less. And then stop loss between below the last low. So risk to reward is 5.47, and then we're looking at a gain of 228%, which looks really nice. So then let's go to the algo trading. Tezos, we got a buy signal, and now we're slightly below it, and we're getting closer to the trigger line. Doge selling off further, trigger line coming down. Bitcoin, yesterday we did hit the trigger line again, so I could load up again. So now I'm in a 2x long position. Ethereum, yesterday I did close out my short because Bitcoin started to form a bullish bullish formation, because if we look at the let's say 41k region, so we did close a bit below, then the next day we got rejected and we closed much higher. 2 days later we did come down, got rejected, and then 1 day of not much action, and then yesterday we did come down again, and again it got bought up. So normally when you have the same price region being touched 4 to 5 times, we go to the opposite direction, so in this case to the upside. Bitcoin Cash still in the short, still coming down, and then XRP, we got a sell signal again and also down. So if we have a look at the, I forgot to mention that one, but if we look at Bitcoin dominance, then you can see we start to trend up again. So that explains that altcoins are doing worse for the moment compared to Bitcoin. And then where's my other screen? If we have a look at our assets, so almost 4.7k, so a bit more than $300 in virtual loss, but still in a nice profit, almost 50% profit for Bitcoin, and Ethereum we're at 30% profit, so this is very nice. All right, I hope I have helped you with this new trade, the Keep versus USD and Euro. All right, talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.